What's up guys, welcome to Tech World Reviews, and today I'm checking out some iPad accessory that makes me want to use my iPad even more than what I used to. This is creative, this is engaging, and this is truly a fantastic product by Paperlike. Paperlike sent me the screen cleaner kit, the pencil grip for your iPad pencil, the pencil tape replacement, and also the one and only screen protector. Trust me, this is pretty cool. A lot of students, a lot of creators swear by this product. So today I'm giving it a try. I'm reviewing this here, and thank you again to Paperlike for sending this over for us to check out on this channel. First up, what is Paperlike? Paperlike is honestly a screen protector that makes your iPad feel more paper. Honestly, without Paperlike, and if you're using your iPad with the iPad pencil, it feels very slippery. It's almost like you're writing on glass, which you really are. You're literally writing on glass. With the Paperlike screen protector, it turns your screen into a paper-like texture, and using your iPad pencil with a paper-like tip makes it very natural. So let's go ahead and install this screen protector from Paperlike to the iPad that I have, and look at the packaging here. Very easy packaging. So we have the screen protector here with lots of instructions. It says at the bottom here, this goes to the bottom, the cutout for the camera. It has all the different measurements on the side. It even have a barcode here that you can scan to get screen by screen video guidance on how to install the screen protector. So let's check out what else is inside the package. We also have some pretty cool stuff. I must say, the envelope that it comes in is quite a nice touch, elegant touch. We get a Paperlike logo stickers, and who doesn't love stickers? And then we get, look at this, there's some more stickers too, which is awesome. Look at the packaging here. It's absolutely clean, modern, minimalist packaging. You have a barcode here that tells you how to get started. You have the different, I think these are the cleaners. I think one is wet and one is dry if you ever put a screen protector on. It has a helper tool here, which allows you to remove any bubbles if there is on the screen protector you install. So pretty cool packaging. There's some more stuff here. You also get a postcard, which is awesome. A bit of a story happening here. There's a butterfly. Hello, little one. The hand reaches to the butterfly, and there's a lot going on here. So if you're really into artistic stuff, Paperlike really embodies that. And then there's a little note here from Paperlike owner, I believe, the founder of Paperlike. Go ahead and install the screen protector on the iPad. So I went ahead and scanned the barcode, and you can actually get a step-by-step interactive guidance on how to set this up. So I might actually do it this way. And then here, how to use the Paperlike.
I'm with Paperlike, and I'm really glad to welcome you to the interactive installation guide. Before we start, let me give you a quick run through.
Okay, we're gonna fast forward this here. Alright, so as you can see, the screen protector is installed on my iPad. I was playing around with it. I must say I'm not the greatest drawer or artist out there, but with this new screen protector, I feel superior. I feel like I am all powerful. I have my iPad pencil here with that nice blue pencil grip here, and I'll be drawing along with this new Paperlike screen protector. Texture wise, it feels like a natural paper. It doesn't feel like you're writing on a glass, and that was one of the reasons why Joe Snapper, who is the CEO of Paperlike, went ahead in 2014 2015 and launched this whole experience here. And overall, it was launched on Kickstarter. The world got behind it because everyone was having the same problem. Using the iPad to draw was a big challenge until Paperlike came along, and now we have a more textured paper canvas that we can draw on the iPad, which is pretty cool. So big shout out to Paperlike for supporting the channel, sending this over to this channel for us to review. And I'm a big fan. I definitely think your next screen protector for your iPad should be a Paperlike screen protector. You wouldn't be disappointed. I will have the link below in the description where you can buy it, and they're very inexpensive. Two comes in a pack, so if you have another person in your family, they could get the second one for free, or you can try to split the cost with them. Who knows, there's so many ways to purchase it. While you're at that, make sure you get one of the pencil grip, and make sure you get the pencil tip from Paperlike, and make the whole experience artistic experience. Keep drawing, keep inspiring, and we'll see you on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what you will be drawing on your iPad with your Paperlike screen protector.